ever tried Korean fried chicken with a pinch of garam masala? Well, I have with me two people who embody the exact same combination. Two countries, two cultures, but one spirit.
I'm Jin Ramesh,
Hi, I'm Jung Suresh.
and we are the Jin
Jung.
Brothers.
भैया ये चाय किधर मिलता है चाय
मैं आपको मुक्कम मारूंगा टुशुम टुशुम
So today, we will dwell to their journey and find out about their Indian connect. तो शुरुआत करते हैं सुरेश से। आप बताइए, एक क्वेश्चन है जो सबके माइंड में आता है जब हम आपका कंटेंट देखते हैं कि आप इतनी अच्छी हिंदी कैसे बोल लेते हैं?
चल रहे पागल है क्या देख के चल
So what's your secret and आपका जो जर्नी है इंडिया कनेक्ट है वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ?
So we both came to India when we were kids, and just growing up here, that's how I picked up Hindi.
So your schooling and everything happened here.
Right.
And where did you guys meet exactly?
So we met in the same school in near Dehradun around 2012. So almost 12 years back, and since then we've been good friends, like brothers, and making content together since then. I mean, not since then, but yeah.
ओए तू मेरे को जानता रे कान के नीचे खींच के दे तू ना चप्पल लेके मार तो साले बेहोश हो जाता इधर ही
रुको रुको ये अच्छी बात नहीं है आप बहुत बहुत बुरा इंसान है मैं आपको मुक्कम मारूंगा टुशुम टुशुम
So tell me this, you know, you both belong to Korean families and family language is your Korean language. You went to schools here, so there's English, Hindi, and because you grew up in Hyderabad, so there's Telugu.
안녕하세요. 안darki namaskaram.
So did you face this barrier of language?
Oh yeah, sometimes. I mean, sometimes I feel more comfortable expressing myself in a certain language.
तेलुगु सीखना है क्या तेरे को
हाँ बहुत
तेलुगु
हाँ
ठीक है
बहुत
नाकू पिच्ची
नाकू पीछे
हाँ नाकू पिच्ची
नाकू पीछे
हाँ
मतलब क्या है
नाकू पिच्ची का मतलब क्या होता है आई एम हैंडसम
आई एम हैंडसम
हाँ आई एम हैंडसम
दैट तो आई एम ए दोस्तों मैं नाकू पीछे सच में ना मैं नाकू पीछे
बहुत बहुत पिच्ची
Yeah, so we share the same languages, so we can communicate better.
Yeah. So, you know, as he talked about the challenges while socializing, so how was it growing up and going to school? Did you face difficulty in making friends?
Right. Yeah, I mean, of course, because growing up, I came when I was a lot younger. So I came to India when I was 4 years old. And back then, I mean, especially Hyderabad, there weren't many foreigners, especially Koreans. So I was always the alien, you know, wherever I went, always people looking at me, staring at me. So that was hard. But then, you know, wherever you go, you meet good people, you know.
कोइन लॉन्ड्री सिक्का धोबी इसको कैसे चलाते हैं
So you spent about like 2 decades here, right?
Yeah, right.
So you were here for about 20 years. Most of your life you were here. Then you went back to Korea. So tell us, why did you go back to Korea and how has that been for you?
I mean, for both of us, it's been the same reason. We had to go to the army. So we went back to Korea, of course, for the mandatory service. And then after that, I mean, we were in school. We weren't working in India. So there was actually like no reason, I would say, to come back because, I mean, we had to work.
Your family is
yeah,
also there.
Yeah, family is also there.
Right, so you know, let's talk about this. You both went back to army. How was that for you? How was that phase for you? And you know,
No, it
coming
was
back
it was a big cultural change for me, right? Big Korea and India, there's a big cultural difference. So in that sense, I mean, I had a lot of things to get used to, but then I managed, right?
pretty well, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, as he's speaking about the cultural differences and similarities, you've both been in Korea and India, and you've experienced both the cultures. Tell me 3 things that are similar in both the cultures and 3 things that are different. I'll come to you for the difference.
Oh, similar.
Yeah.
I mean, I mean, India also falls under Asia. So I think we just love people.
भैया तो प्यार से बात करो यार
पागल है देखे चलना बेटा प्यार से बात करो सब लोग
You know, we love hanging out. We love the community.
Social people.
Right, people are social. We take care of each other. We love hanging out with friends, family. Family time is important. All that. So that's number one, I think. Just relationships and stuff. And we're also very big in food. India is famous for their food.
भैया ये चाय किधर मिलता है? चाय सीधा ओके ओके पानी पूरी हो गया, थोड़ा चाय पीने चलते हैं, ठीक है?
Let's talk about differences. What do you find like the most distinct thing between the two cultures?
For me, the biggest difference
Yeah.
is dinner time. Right?
Okay.
Mm.
What's the difference exactly?
Koreans like to have their dinner around like 6, 7, right?
Okay.
And the 7 might even be considered pretty late in some families. My
Alright.
family personally,
Yeah.
we eat dinner at like 5, 5:30.
Okay, that's it.
Right.
That's it. Done for the day.
Yeah,
That's
that's
the
it.
last meal of the day.
Yeah,
Wow.
and then maybe like a few snacks, right?
Yeah.
But then normally that is the case. But then in India, that's not the case, right?
Yeah,
I
that's
mean, you'd
not the
also
case.
agree with me,
Exactly.
right? 4 or 5 is like chai time, and then
Yeah,
you have
that's
dinner.
just evening snack time.
చాయ్ చాయ్ గరం గరం చాయ్ చాయ్ ఓ అన్న ఒక చాయ్ ఇవ్వండి తమ్ముడు చాయ్ కావాలా
How would you differentiate between a day in India and a day in South Korea in your lives?
I would say life in Korea is a lot busier from my experience.
Okay.
As in, like, Koreans are like very, in a way, they're like workaholics. In India, I think it's I won't say the other way around, but then people have that
I think they're much more laid back. Yeah, exactly.
right? So I would say that is one of the biggest differences culturally.
Just the 3 things that you love about India in terms of, let's say, people, culture, or food, in fact.
Oh no, I love the fact that Indians know how to have fun. Right? Indians, I think, really
That
know
we
how
do.
to have fun. Yeah, no, I really like that.
ఓ ఆంటీ ఆంటీ ఆంటీ
And then, of course, I mean, the food. I mean, it's my favorite cuisine. Right?
What's your one favorite food or you go to Indian food?
My go-to Indian food. Like, no, I mean, I like it simple. I just like rice and dal with some achar
Are
on
you a
the
dal
side.
chawal guy is what you're saying?
Huh?
Are you a dal chawal guy?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I like it simple. I like the sabzi,
Okay.
rice and dal, some achar on
Like
the
a proper
side.
Indian
Yeah,
meal you like?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
No chole bhature fan here?
Once in a while.
Once in a while,
No, but it can be a little heavy in your stomach,
It
right?
can be.
So it's like a treat,
Yeah.
right? After eating like healthy meals, like a few days in a row,
Like
and then once in a while we'll have some butter chicken,
biryani.
biryani. But then I don't think we can have that every single day.
What about you? What are the few things that stuck out for you while you were in India and the few things that you miss?
Miss, I mean,
If you
I grew up
No
like
pressure.
I grew up like an Indian boy, right? So honestly, I didn't know anything about Korea. I learned to write Korean when I was in 7th grade. So I learned to write Hindi before writing Korean. So like I missed everything, like the whole life, the country, everything, because I didn't know anything about Korea. I didn't have any friends. I didn't know anyone. It was just my family. So every part of my life was based here in India. So I missed every part of it.
Oh, hello, namaskar, hello, welcome to Seoul.
how did this idea come up to speak in Hindi, do desi content while being in Korea?
पूरा पूरा इंसान आप बहुत बहुत बुरा इंसान हैं
We had to go back to Korea because of the military, right? And then we ended up just staying there, right? For some reason, right? And then we just started missing India, right? And then like we're living together now in Korea, so we're like, let's try to do something, right?
Okay. About this longing for India.
Because of we couldn't. Because of our job and stuff, we didn't have the freedom to fly back to India whenever we wanted. Just to live through the memories that we got from India, like virtually, at least, right? So that although we are in Korea, we are actually living in India through our memories, right? And that's how we started our page.
We started because the whole reason was because we loved India, we missed India, and that's always gonna be within us, right? And even this whole content is not just for comedy and not just to show people that we speak Hindi, but then it's really about sharing the memories together, right? Like bachpan se jo bhi yadein hai, just mixing that all up and actually making people laugh. So there's already that connection.
तो ना आप इंडिया साउथ कोरिया कनेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. जो साउथ कोरियन चीजें हैं, whether it's K-pop, K-drama, Blackpink, BTS, suddenly it has become a rage in India. And you guys have been living in South Korea. तो आप थोड़ा बताइए कि इंडियंस को लेके क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है साउथ कोरिया में.
बचपन में ना,
हाँ
मतलब
जी.
मैं कब आया था, 2002 में आया था. तब when I walk outside, सब लोग मुझे चाइनीज बुलाते थे. आजकल तो कोरियन बुलाते हैं.
Exactly, that's the
So that's
change
how,
we witnessed
yeah, that's
in
how
so many years.
हाँ, and now people know, मतलब जानते हैं कोरिया कहाँ है, कोरिया में क्या क्या होता है. Thanks to Netflix, K-drama वगैरह. I think पहले ज़्यादा मतलब प्लेटफॉर्म्स नहीं थे, मतलब देखने के लिए. जब
avenues have increased.
हाँ, और जब हम मतलब इंडिया के बारे में सोचते थे, तब जो न्यूज़ पे आता है बस वही था. तो न्यूज़ पे क्या आता है? All the bad stuff, है ना?
Correct.
तो लोग सोचते थे अच्छा मुझे बिल्कुल इंडिया नहीं जाना, थोड़ा मतलब सुरक्षित नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं, गर्मी है, ये अच्छा नहीं है, वो अच्छा नहीं है. पर अभी क्या हो रहा है with Netflix and all that stuff, a lot of the Korean celebrities are also coming to India, travel videos के लिए ना. So I think people's perspectives have been changing. I mean, they really they think it's a very like mysterious country. They want to explore, you know. Because from north to south, west to east, there's so much diversity. So I think people want to experience that now.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like one of the reasons why Indians and Koreans can click very well together is they actually have a lot of similarities.
Yeah, the culture is very similar. if
Culture
you
is very
see.
similar, very family based, right? And then Koreans and Indians, they both know how to have fun. They're like all about food. So yeah, there's a lot of similarities. I feel like Indians and Koreans get along really well in that sense.
तो आपके स्कूल के दिनों की थोड़ी और बातें करते हैं, क्योंकि दैट इज वेयर योर इंडियन कनेक्ट इज मोस्टली रिफ्लेक्टेड इन, एंड दैट्स वेयर योर मोस्ट एक्सपीरियंस कम्स फ्रॉम, राइट? सो हाउ वर यू एज अ किड, एंड हाउ वाज इट बीइंग अ फॉरेनर इन एन इंडियन स्कूल?
I mean, I didn't actually go to an Indian school. I went to an international school here in India.
Okay. So
where-
were there other foreigners there?
Yeah, there are some foreigners, but then a lot of Indians too.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, and then I mean, I guess that's where I picked up a lot of my yeah, it's just who I am as a person.
Did
right?
you face any bullying here?
Here, as in like
Like in the
at
school? Yeah.
Oh no, not really. Everyone was very sweet to me, and it was a very nice experience.
How about you? How was your time here in the school, and how were you as a kid?
So I went to just ordinary, normal Indian school.
So how was that,
Yeah.
especially being a foreigner in that school?
It was, I don't know if I can do it again. I don't know. I mean, no, I was the only foreigner, first of all. And I think I worked very hard to just, I mean, I was definitely not a studious kid. I tried very hard to make friends. And once I made friends, I think I just spent long time bunking and just not listening to anyone.
Yo, this is an elevator. Elevator. The water, like a swimming like an alligator.
It was very hard to pick up so many languages at once because some of, how there were groups of people speaking in Telugu, groups of people speaking in Hindi, and then English, and then Korean back at home. So it was
between so many languages.
So I think I could not perfect any of the languages. So it was all my language skills were up to maybe 50-60%. That's it. So it was like a biryani,
So one language that you would like to master,
Master?
right now?
I think I would like to keep learning, keep practicing. I mean, studying Hindi, just make it better.
Hindi.
Yeah, Hindi, and hopefully, if I have the time, Telugu too, because
Telugu too?
I forgot most.
Yeah, can you write in Telugu, right?
No, I can only speak. Yeah, I never.
Okay, give us few lines in Telugu, please.
Andaru baagunnara.
So is it difficult now when you're in Korea and you suddenly do you break into just Hindi words and then realize, oh, the guy is not understanding?
That's actually even better.
That's
Right. No, because I can say some stuff, right?
Oh,
but
yeah,
then
the
he
life-
won't know what I'm saying, right? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can be swearing, but then he won't know.
आज मैं मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स को थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ फॉर ऑल द लव एंड सपोर्ट थैंक यू वेरी मच
God, bro.
एंड आल्सो माय
छह
फादर
घंटे हो
साइड
गया,
इज
भाई।
बिग फैमिली नो
Hey, bhai.
हाँ
कितना टाइम लगेगा यार?
just now almost done with father side now mother
कब
side
तक करेगा?
mother side is coming now only now I'll start
Mother side.
mother side only father side
Do you have any message for your Indian fans? Anything you'd like to say to them?
हम आपके लिए better videos बनाएंगे.
Hey, putting hand up, putting hand up.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल और आप सबके बिना हम नहीं होते तो we always remember that, so we always will be humble, we'll always bring the best for you guys. So बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. I think धन्यवाद is the best word to summarize it.
Dhanyavad is how these content creators, the Jing Jung brothers, would like to end this interview with. And it has been a great conversation with you guys, especially. And I would like to say Dhanyavad to both of you
Thank you for having
for giving us your time and, you know, speaking to India Today Global.
undertaker taker okay see you later.
So that's it on this episode of Your Expat Diaries. For more such videos, stay tuned to India Today Global with me, Ishita Mitra.